Good day. This video is about Rashomon and Amelie movie. The respondent is a film enthusiast with a cultural studies background who has watched both films multiple times. Rashomon and Amelie on subsequent rewatch to explore themes and style. Narrative approach. Rashomon used a frame narrative and for conflicting account of samurai's murder. Each version served a teller self-image, the bandit as a bold, the wife as a virtuous, emphasizing that absolute truth is acknowledged. The focus is on how people contrast meaning from chaos with the final scene, highlighting that moral action matters more than certainty. Amelie follows a linear storybook style narrative with chapter breaks and voice-over. A single consistent account reinforces themes of connection and hope, framing the world as a place where small acts of kindness have a clear positive effects. Rashomon centers on truth, morality, and human nature, exploring the tension between self-interest and empathy. Characters are complex, not purely good or evil, reflecting real-world ambiguity. Amelie focuses on kindness, loneliness, and finding joy in small moments. Kindness is framed as a personal choice, rooted in empathy, not obligation. Share them both. Examine how individuals navigate a chaotic world. Rashomon truth storytelling, Amelie truth action. Visual and authority style. Rashomon stark black and white cinematography and dense forest settings create a timeless, uncertain mood. First tradition. Japanese music emphasizes tension and unseize. The forest symbolize the ambiguity of human nature and truth. Amelie vibrant, saturated colors and whimsical visual tricks, slow motion taking props transform Paris into a magical space. Jan Tersen piano driven score complements the warm, playful tone reflecting Amelie's inner world. Character. Rashomon characters are defined by perspective rather than art. The woodcutter is most compelling, paid but ultimately kind, evolving from observer to participant when he adopts an abundant baby social rules. Samurai bandit wife shape their accounts to align with feudal Japanese expectation. Amelie, the protagonist's lonely childhood drives her mission to bring joy others. The overcomes fear of vulnerability to pursue love. Douglas Man Raymond Dupiel is a key supporting character who pushes her to take action. Cultural context. Rashomon 1950 post-Japan explores uncertainty and moral definition amid society uphill and introduce global audience to Japanese cinema, probing non-Western films would tackle universal themes. Amelie 2001 post-millennium France celebrates French cultures while emphasizing universal theme of connection. It became a global hit by offer comfort in an increasingly disconnected world. 6. Emotional impact. Rashomon leaves the respondent truthful and unsettled, shaping how they view perspective and truthful. Amelie inspire warmth and joy, encouraging intentional acts of kindness. Rashomon has a longer-lasting intellectual impact while Amelie delivers immediately emotional resonance. Thank you.